Hello everyone, this is me Dave. I'm a filmmaker and a video editor, and in this video we're gonna do color grading. We are not just going to color grade something, but we are going to imitate a certain look which we always find in Hollywood movies. That too in a DSLR footage. Today we have with us Wonder Woman. But before jumping into the video, the first thing that I want you to know is that there is a vast difference between a cinema camera, a big budget cinema camera, and a DSLR camera. Today we'll be imitating the look of a cinema camera into a DSLR footage. So let's check this out. On the left hand side of the interface we have a picture of Wonder Woman, and on the left we have Angela. And the first thing we are bound to notice is the difference. There are difference in quality obviously, 16-bit versus 8-bit. Anyways, yeah, the detail is not the thing we are looking in this video, but the color. You can see the picture of Wonder Woman has a dominating greenish tint which affects only the shadows. And on the other hand, Angela's picture profile has a bluish domination. The highlights are kind of pinkish and maybe a little bit of yellowish in Wonder Woman's footage. And on Angela's footage, the highlight is completely yellow. Now, let's do this. Let's turn this picture profile, Angela's picture, into Hollywood kind of picture. enjoyed this video, and if you like this type of content, then please let us know, and we'll be uploading such kind of content in future. So see you, stay blessed.